Rich results. You see them all the time. How awesome would it be to have these kinds of results for your own site, right? But how do you get them?
Well, you'll need structured data for that.
Structured data? That sounds rather technical. Do you need coding skills to add these data? And how do you get started?
Well, it's actually not that hard to get started, even if you're a beginner without coding skills. Just take our Structured Data for Beginners course. In this short online training course, you'll learn the very basics of structured data. We teach you what it is and how you can easily add structured data with the Yoast SEO plugin. In the end, that will help you to get these fancy rich results for your own site.
So it is not difficult,
No!
but yet effective.
Exactly.
And how much money do you need to pay for this course?
It's totally free.
It is! That's great! Well, what are you waiting for?